Diving into the world of virtual reality has never been more comfortable thanks to the latest offering aimed at MetaQuest Pro users. Today, we're taking a closer look at a game-changing accessory kit from XSuperHome that promises to enhance your VR sessions by leaps and bounds. This kit isn't just another addition to your growing collection of gadgets. It's a thoughtful assembly of essentials designed to address some of the most common discomforts associated with prolonged VR use. At the heart of this kit are two thick foam replacement pads, meticulously crafted to alleviate the pressure often felt on the forehead during extended gaming or exploration sessions in virtual reality. These pads are not just slabs of foam, they are engineered for comfort, with options to choose from in terms of thickness and material. This customization is a game-changer, allowing users to find the perfect balance between comfort and immersion. The significance of this cannot be overstated, as finding the right fit can greatly reduce the distraction of physical discomfort, allowing for a more immersive and enjoyable VR experience. But the thoughtfulness of this kit doesn't stop at foam pads. It includes a plastic board and a lens cover, ensuring that your MetaQuest Pro is protected and ready for action at any time. The lens cover, in particular, is a simple yet effective addition that many users might overlook. It serves a dual purpose of protecting the delicate lenses from dust and scratches while also keeping them clean for a clear view into your virtual worlds. Installation of these accessories is a breeze, highlighting the user-friendly design ethos of XSuperHome. The one-step installation process is hassle-free, which means you spend less time setting up and more time immersed in your favorite VR experiences. This simplicity is something that will undoubtedly be appreciated by both VR veterans and newcomers alike. Another standout feature of this kit is its sweat-proof characteristic. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, especially during those intense gaming sessions or workouts in VR. The ability to resist sweat not only contributes to the overall comfort but check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.